VWT2 1970. So I'm just clearing it up underneath. I found a hole there, just a bit of patching needed there, and some holes here. So obviously a bit of welding, sort those out, but actually all the rest of the whole car is good enough. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for MOT, even though we don't need an MOT on this. Everything else is good. Oh, there's a hole there, but that's where the pedals go through, is it? Actually, that's a new one. Oh no, it is something. No, that's the accelerator hole. So, and then I've done a quick repair, just strip back this area on where the sliding door goes, and the sliding door is shutting because I was told it wasn't shut, but it is fine. I've had to cut away, you're not going to see it, but I've had to cut away some of that at the bottom of there. You can't see it, but and then I just strip back under here all the way and cure rusted the floor. That's it. My brother's alright. And my brother's here. So that's it. VWT2 1972. Oh. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright, we're out of here.